Right, what's cooking in Paul's kitchen tonight? Right, we've got burgers, Stornoway black pudding, bacon medallions, there's a nice cheddar cheese, sizzling sound there. Oh, this is going to taste good. It's cooking in Colin's kitchen tonight. We got burgers with smoky cheddar cheese, sweet peppers. Stove's going good. Tins are on. Can't beat it. Barbecue chicken. Fried rice. What's cooking?
What's cooking in Colin's kitchen tonight?
Oh, looks good.
Yum dum dum dum.
Dum dum. Chicken sausages. See what these are like. It's toasty wee fire bones, quite windy tonight. Sausages look good though. Right, they're sizzling now. Oh, looking good. There we go. Looking good. Wraps with stir fried beef, chilies, onions, a wee bit of sour cream on the top. Oh, that's going to taste real good. Right, Scottish Wanderer's showing me up here for his chorizo, baby corns, peppers, onions. That looks good as well. I need to give that a bash one night. Right, what's cooking tonight? 6-ounce chuck steak burgers with bacon, some sliced mature cheddar, a couple of curry pies, potato wedges, heat them up in the fire, chicken, Cajun breasts, roasted garlic rice. I've got a cheese and garlic naan bread somewhere as well. Some beers, gin, wine. Oh, this is a good night. Of course, a fire. Soon be cooking. sizzling.
It's good bacon.
Oh, cheese factor 15.
Oh, I will.
It's cooking in Colin's kitchen tonight. Oh, chicken peri peri kebabs, the red onion, mixed peppers. Oh, check the bad boys out. What's cooking tonight? Oh, Spanish chicken chorizo kebabs. A bit more Spanish chicken and chorizo in there. Get some rice to go along with that. Nice wee spot. Oh, what's that? Spam dance. You wouldn't believe what you'd find out in the wilds here. And if anybody recognises who that is, I want you to post something on my page. Oh, that's looking good now. We've got chicken chorizo kebabs, mixed peppers, the Spanish kind of marinated chicken. Oh, looking good. It tastes superb. Right, wee bedtime snack. Chicken tikka. Sizzle on the way. Have a wee nice wee warmer before I go to my bed. Oh, I've had about 3 main meals. They've all been great. Check that out, eh? Sizzling again. What's cooking in Colin's Campfire kitchen? Well, here it is. A nice breakfast. Sausage, bacon, egg. Oh, I should set us up for a couple of hours. Oh, there we go. A bit of cheese on the top, just to round it off. That'll melt a wee bit. Right, it's looking good. Aromatic Chinese chicken, vegetable fried rice, mixed peppers, onions, couple of ciders, wraps. Superb. Right, what's cooking in Colin's kitchen tonight? The onions, peppers, marinated some chicken and some kind of aromatic Chinese kind of sauce, a wee bit of vegetable fried rice. We've got some wraps and another cider. Yeah, a fine place to have your dinner. Yeah, this beats sitting in the house. Stove's on. Cooking away nicely there. A wee bit of heat off it. I think it's time to get cooking. What do you think? Well, this looks good. I think this is going to taste really good. Here we go. Bacon, sausage, fried egg, a cup of coffee. Once we've eaten this, start packing up. And then we'll start heading back. Right, I think that's dinner ready. We've got spaghetti bolognese.
Oh, can I show it as well, Colin?
There you go. We've got
Get your boots in, guys.
cheesy
Get your
garlic
boots
naan
in.
bread. Get your boots in now!
Colin's got
Oh, aye.
the- Oh, can you shine
Look-
some
it's
light on
looking
my
good.
food, Colin?
Right, and what Stuart got?
I've forgotten my light.
Oh, Stuart's got a nice sweet. Oh, aye.
I've got the chicken.
Peppers, chickens, mushrooms.
I think
A
you had
fine
the
feed
chicken.
yet again.
Look,
Oh, this chicken's still going. There we go.
chicken's been in and cooked,
Plus the pepper.
plus the pepper.
Looking good.
And I'm going to actually add some of this cheap rice that you buy
Oh, yeah.
from Home Bargains.
You know, Stuart copied me.
I did actually. I've actually been eating this all week, to be honest. Right, since I watched Colin cooking it, I've been on a binge of cooking chicken, peppers, and rice.
As you do.
Right, so I've been binge eating this all week.
Looking good. Right, that's us ready. Oh, looks good. Right, we're going to stick that on a couple of wraps. Should go down with treat. Oh yeah. Right, sauce on. Yeah, this beats a pot noodle. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? Oh yeah. Oh, tremendous. Oh, that's what you call a breakfast. Oh, bacon and eggs. And a wee brew. Tremendous. Oh, check that out. That look good. I tell you, it tastes good. Right, up in the morning. You know what time it is. It's fry up time. Bacon and eggs. Can't beat it. Plus a wee cup of tea as well. It's a wee selection of Danish pastries. Oh, can't beat it. Sizzling. Can't beat a fry up in the morning. A cup of tea as well. A tasty snack already. What's next? It's a cheeky Chinese stir fry. Right, Right, smug ball. Looking good. Oh, that's going to taste superb. Meat's cooking in the house. Oh, bon appetit. Right folks, it's pitch black. I think my dinner's ready. So, like I say, stir-fried pork, a golden vegetable fried rice, peppers, onions, corn crackers, wee bottle of vino, got a wee cup of tea after last wee brew. Bon appetit folks, it's looking good. Right, that's the sweet and sour sauce in. Oh, sizzling. Right, mixing the carbs. I think we'll get the noodles kindled up. Then we'll just chuck it all in together. And then I reckon that'll be a pretty tasty meal. Oh, that's sizzling. Superb. Oh, that's going to taste absolutely brilliant.
Did you take that off and let
Oh yeah, look at that. Roast chicken, roast potatoes, the vegetables in the pot outside. Oh, look at that sizzle. Wow, that looks amazing. You know that's going to taste superb. Oh, that's looking good there. That's what you call a feed.
Get your butts in,
Get your
guys.
butts in now!
That beach Collins chicken and noodles and whatever it has.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Something if it's down to looks alone,
Red peppers.
that's the best I've seen.
Oh yes.
Do you know what I mean? You see getting surrounded with the blanket of potatoes and parsnips and
Yeah.
Yorkshire
Oh,
puddings.
fantastic.
It even beats
And
the
the,
chicken.
and the gravy's still to go on.
Oh, the gravy. That spatula on the floor.
Right.
Who can't?
There's the gravy going on.
It's a bit runny, guys. It should have been a bit thicker, but I thought I'd bring more gravy with me. Do you want some, Colin?
Aye, fire on, Stuart.
How much do you want?
Oh, aye, just
Some runny gravy.
I'll have some of that. Yeah, that not look good. Oh, middle of nowhere. Another
Do you want some gravy
5-star
on your,
meal.
your stuff?
Oh, lovely.
Bugsy, we'll just pour it on. You want it in the...
Right, that's the cheese on. The Monterey Jack. I can't mind the packets over there, but Monterey Jack something.
Burger melts.
Monterey Jack burger melts with, what is it, Bugsy? With spicy jalapeno or something, I think it was. Is it jalapeno?
Yes, it has.
Spicy jalapeno. But we'll let them burn down. Oh no, we don't want to burn it. Right, they'll melt down. And then I reckon that oil's hot enough. We'll get the onion rings, they'll just sit nicely on the top. Right, well I don't know about you, but that's looking good to me. Sweet and sour pork stir fry, the noodles. Oh, that's looking good. Sizzling away. I think that's going to taste superb. Nice wee feed right in the middle of nowhere. So, I'm going to dig in. Right, that's us, looking good. So, burgers, Monterey Jack cheese, fried onions, raw onions, tomato sauce, mustard, the full booner. Looks good to me.
Aye.
It's no roast beef, but right, it's time to dig in. Aye. Sort it.
Oh fuck, I've done it again. Sorry, just batter.
Ah, we'll batter in.
That's it. It's all going
Looks fine, doesn't it? So I think that'll taste pretty good. I'll fit it in my mouth.
Colin's just back to the road, so he's been eating lots of this kind of stuff.
Top marks. 10 out of 10.
That's better than Burger King.
Oh yes.
What's
By
the
far.
seconds?
Looking good.
Got some cold beans.
Oh! Stuart's eating all the cold beans. Oh no, wait a minute. You've left two, Stuart. Come on.
Sorry. Can't leave.
Oh no.
You can't leave anybody behind.
There's
Let's
folks starving in the world.
got a black pudding as well. I need to finish that.
Ready, lads?
Third degree
Right.
buns though.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, you can't beat cake and custard.
Oh, cake and custard.
Right.
Superb. Cake and custard at the beach. A wee roasty toasty fire.
A nice little fire. I'm sorry if anybody's watching, but we've burnt.
The beans.
Right, that's my spoon.
Oh, look at that.
Tuck in, lads.
That's Bugsy. There we go, look.
Well done, Bugsy. Get your votes in for Bugsy. Oh, Bugsy's pulled the stops out again. Oh, look at those cream cakes. Oh,
Bugsy does treat us, doesn't he, guys?
he certainly does. Very nice.
Right.
Cake
Take
5.
5. Right, that's us get the Petromax on the go. Stuck in peppers, onions. We get some kind of spiced potatoes, all the spicy mini jacket potatoes, wee bit of paprika, chilli, garlic.
It's good, mate.
Looking nice, so
Good too.
we'll fry them up. Once they're fried up, we'll then get the specially selected sirloin steaks in as well. But I must admit, I really am liking this pan. I think this is the nicest frying pan I've used ever, to be honest.
That's the stand.
Yeah, the stand's fantastic.
Yep.
Very solid.
Do you know what we just talked
It's not just a flimsy thing, it really is. It's a very solid stand. So, perfect. Obviously I'm using a frying pan on it, but Petromax obviously do all the fancy Dutch ovens as well. And I think, to be honest, you'd be able to sit anything on this. I think that'll hold quite a good weight. But very impressed, very impressed.
Bite that.
Right, it's looking good, soft and tough. Rump steak, jumbo prawns, spicy potatoes, onions, peppers. Get your votes in now! Right folks, bon appetit. Oh, God. Looking good.
Yeah, well, the other, you know what I mean? The quicker one. That's hot to trot.
Oh, keep draw. Oh, cheers, Kevin. Oh, see that sound that Dutch ovens make?
Oh, right. Woohoo! So, what we got tonight? A lovely pizza. So, Stuart's kindly cooked the dinner tonight. What have we got? There's pepperoni, meatballs, bacon, chicken, loads of cheese on the top. Oh, I'm going to dig into that. That looks fantastic. Bon appetit! Right folks, it's breakfast time. So, full fry up. Looking out. It's raining again, but we're nice and dry in here, nice and warm. Wee morning roll. Like I say, full Scottish fry up. Can he beat it? Fork, Stuart. Right, the fork. That's the turkey ready. Also get the, oh look at this. That's what I'm talking about. pouring the rain, middle of nowhere, but we've still pulled off a full Christmas dinner.
Wow. We've brung
Yeah, look at that.
That's dinner's ready. We've brung Gordon Ramsay with us, look.
Yep, Bugsy's on it tonight. On it like a bonnet.
We're getting that turkey slice. That.
Oh yeah.
We even get the plates as well.
Right. Here's the gravy going on. Just get mine launched right over the top of mine, Bugsy. Right over the top.
That's it.
Oh, right. Full burner. Right. The only thing we got left is
Fucky's off, I'm
pigs,
off.
pigs,
Pigs and blankets.
pigs and blankets. Well, I'm for a pig.